Hey, this is a repair test and color matching for the ITEL recommended shingle for Trey Willis. I'm going to attempt to pull out this wind damaged shingle right here and replace it with the one recommended by ITEL. See it already damaging the shingle above it. The shingle just completely disintegrates. Just fell out. How brittle they are.
Take a look at the underlayment.
Oh yeah. Underlayment's just disintegrating. Right here, look at it. You can see the wood decking just disintegrating from pulling this shingle out all the way up.
Can you do something real quick?
Hmm?
Let me wipe my hand across it real quick.
Yeah, it's just falling apart. Just from pulling that one shingle out too. The underlayment is exposing the wood decking underneath. Try not to lift the shingles too high while I do this. Underlayment's just falling off under here still.
Can we hold that for you?
Please. Thank you.
Yeah.
There goes it. Is that the hammer?
Yep.
I got another one, so should be all right. Let me get that. Thank you. Let me grab another hammer behind you if I could.
Yep.
Excuse me. Trying to lift it too high, but get that nail at a 90-degree angle. As you can see, nothing damage, just to the shingle above it. Already cracking and creasing it just from lifting underneath it and not even lifting it too high. You can see it's all coming up from the wind damage that was here. And then the underlayment, obviously, just from pulling out one shingle, the underlayment's just flaking out. The exposed decking is already being exposed underneath. You can also see that the shingle doesn't match, which we'll also take pictures of. And with Florida building codes and the HOA here, they can't have unmatched shingles from the street. You can see the street right here, and there's tons of them all on this side of the slope. There's a few over there. There's a couple above it. There's another one right above it over here.
One right there. This one right there.
There's a few over to my left.
There's
All the way up the slope.
here. One over there.
So, color doesn't match. They're pretty much impossible to repair the shingles on this roof without damaging everything else, underlayment, everything else around it, and the shingles all the way above it, all the way to the top of the roof, because of how brittle they are.